Hello and welcome. If you go to your favorite search engine and you type in Microsoft Copilot, typically one of the first search results you'll see is going to be one for Microsoft.com and Copilot.microsoft.com. Now, we are doing this search inside of Microsoft Bing. However, the search engine that you use may have this in a different place. You want to look for the listing for Copilot.microsoft.com. And depending on the kind of Microsoft account that you have, you can log into your account. Whether you have a free or paid account, you're going to log in where it says Sign In. We are going to log into a Microsoft account. Once you log in, you can begin to use Microsoft Copilot, but you can use it audibly. For example, what we can do is we can click on this mic and we can talk to Microsoft Copilot. We're going to click on Talk to Copilot. Hey Thomas, welcome to the voice experience with Copilot. You can chat with me just like you'd chat with a friend. Go ahead, ask questions, brainstorm ideas, or even switch languages if you like. And if you need to adjust my voice or speed, you can do that in settings. Ready when you are. What is the most effective way to create video tutorials? Keep it engaging and concise. Start with a clear script, then record high-quality visuals and audio. Use engaging visuals, like animations or on-screen annotations, to keep viewers interested. Break down complex topics into easy-to-digest segments and end with a call to action or summary. Also, make sure to edit for smooth transitions and polish. What's your tutorial about? As you can see, you can interact with Microsoft Copilot. And you'll see here that all of the information that the verbiage that Copilot spells out to you, it is also going to be in your history here in this area. So Copilot is really designed for you to interact with it audibly. Once you have the page open, you can click on the mic again if you have Copilot operating in your browser. We're going to click on the mic. We're going to ask Copilot to summarize this page to us verbally. Would you please summarize this page for me? Sure thing. This article dives into the pressure chief marketing officers, CMOs, are facing from their CEOs, CFOs, and boards. The report highlights that 63% of CMOs feel increased pressure from CFOs, while pressure from CEOs is felt by 61%. This pressure is about proving the value of marketing, with skepticism from these executives about marketing's contributions. There's also a notable rise in pressure from boards, especially for B2C product CMOs, who report a significant chunk of their company's budget going to marketing. It's an interesting read on the evolving landscape for marketing leaders. So as you can see, Microsoft Copilot can both see and hear you. It can also interact with you based on what it sees on your screen. So if you are a Microsoft Edge user, you will be able to fire up Copilot in your browser. If you are not a Microsoft Edge user, you can use Copilot in your account at copilot.microsoft.com. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.